Hello children, our chapter is sound. Wave. What is a wave? See, energy can be transferred from one place or one point to another point without any contact between them. That is wave. So we can say few examples for wave. Heat wave, sound, light wave, sound waves. We'll start with sound wave. What is a sound wave? Sound wave is a mechanical wave. First we have to know what is meant by mechanical wave. The waves which requires a medium to propagate, that is referred to as mechanical wave. See, for example, sound waves can travel through a medium like solid, liquid and gas. Without any medium, sound waves cannot travel. So sound waves are mechanical waves. And then one more point, see these sound waves, how it will travel? To and fro motion, that is front and back vibration of the particles. And one more thing, see the particles of the medium move in a direction which is parallel to the direction of the wave moves. So we can also say sound wave is a longitudinal wave. Types of waves. See, based on the orientation of particle motion and direction, there are two different types are there. One is longitudinal and transverse waves. Longitudinal wave. What's meant by longitudinal wave? I already told you, particles of the medium move in a direction which is parallel to the direction of the wave moves. That is longitudinal wave. Example, sound waves, ultrasound waves, pressure waves. Transverse waves. See, particle motion will be perpendicular to the wave motion, that is transverse wave. Example, light. Light wave is a transverse wave. And other examples are electromagnetic waves. See, what's meant by electromagnetic wave? Waves which don't require a medium to propagate. Difference between sound and light waves. Sound wave. Sound wave is a mechanical wave. Light wave, it is an electromagnetic wave. Sound waves, it requires a medium. It cannot travel through vacuum. Light wave can travel even in vacuum. Sound wave is a longitudinal wave. Light wave is a transverse wave. Compression in sound wave. See, compression and rarefaction in sound wave. What is meant by compression? See, the particles are tightly packed or closest together. In that area, it causes high pressure. That is referred to as compression. Usually, the compressions are represented by the upper portion of the curve. That is also called as crest. Rarefaction. Rarefaction means the region of low pressure area. And also here the particles are loosely packed or else farthest apart. So these rarefactions are represented by the lower portion of the curve called trough. Difference between compression and rarefaction. Compression is a region of high pressure. Rarefaction is a region of low pressure. In compression, air particles are closely packed together. In rarefaction, air particles are loosely packed. How does sound waves causes compression and rarefaction? See, we already know sound waves, how it will move to and fro motion. So, when an object vibrates, it moves to and fro motion. First, when an object moves in forward position. So, what happened here? It causes the air particles to compress. So, it causes a region of high pressure area, that is called compression. So, in the second case, when an object vibrates in a backward motion, it causes the air particles to spread out. So, this creates a region of low pressure, that is called rarefaction. So, as the object vibrates, a series of compression and rarefactions created in air. So, this makes the sound wave propagate through the medium. So, this is the diagram. It shows the compression and rarefaction. See the upper part of the waveform, that is compression. The lower part, that is rarefaction. in compression, we can clearly see the particles are closest together. In rarefaction, the particles are farthest apart. Answer the following questions. Why are sound waves called mechanical waves? Difference between sound and light waves. Are sound waves longitudinal or transverse? What are compressions in sound waves? What are rarefactions in sound waves?